Myself, Kalpana Gajula. I was working in KM Hospital as a sister doctor, and presently after retirement, I am a union leader for all BFC hospitals. All BFC hospitals, we have lots of members. Today I had been called by Dr. Pratibha. She told me these are the nice programs, Sukada. It is a really good and the app which we have got like Sukada app, which is going to benefiting to all the public of the India, all over it is there. Really, it was a good program. I think the next time give us call many people. Even I am going to talk to many people, and he also always joined here. As a union leader, I will tell the other people. Now, Zara आणि त्यांचं फाउंडेशन यांनी चांगल्या पद्धतीने काम केलंय. जारा एवढं 16 वर्षाची मुलगी असून एवढं सगळं तिने केलंय. अँड रिअली इट इज गुड. अजून पुढे जाऊन ती अजून काय काय करेल असं वाटतं. कारण चांगलंच केलेलं आहे
तिने करावं हे आम्ही तिला उत्तेजन
16 वर्षाच्या मुलीने एवढं काय केलं असं कुणाला पटण्यासारखं नाही. एवढं भरपूर त्यांनी केलं या वयात. त्यांना खूप खूप शुभेच्छा तिच्या पुढच्या जीवनासाठी. धन्यवाद.